Hello salespeople. Today we're going to talk about one simple thing that's going to give you 100% success guarantee. The moment when you do the call with the prospect, they will either close or not close. And this thing is called your commitment to doing next steps. Because most of the deals fail not because they choose to do something against you. For example, you call to them, you speak with the prospect, and then they decide to buy from a competitor. There is a certain percent of deals that do that, but most of the deals are not lost to competitors or anything else. They're lost to the customer doing nothing. So your prospect talks to you, they're like, okay, that's an interesting idea, but we're good for now, and they never do anything else. So the single and most useful thing that I have found is going to be getting the commitment from the prospect to do either the next steps or a no. Next step in this case means something very certain and a certain action on a certain day, and if this action is not happening, something is going to happen. This is the next step for me. So for example, if you meet with somebody and then you spend 30 minutes on a call with them doing the discovery or even a demo, and then in the end of the call they tell you, yeah, very nice, we will tell you like later, we'll get in touch with you later. Good luck. It's probably not gonna close. Not because they don't like it, but because you are not in the control of the sale. So you cannot stack all the odds in your favor. That's why probably that deal is not gonna close. And the best thing that you can do is just forget about it and then move on. And the worst thing that you can do is like still keep it in the pipeline and that hope that someday maybe it will close and they will come back. This is all just like, the pink hopes. You need to decide for yourself in the beginning of the call and set the expectation that there's going to be a next step from this call. And the easiest way to do this is to ask the prospect, Mr. Prospect, if you like everything that we do on this meeting today, what's going to be the next step? And then in the beginning, they're going to tell you, oh, we will need to talk with the team and etc. You save yourself so much time. Now when they told you, okay, we're going to talk with the team, we're going to do this and this and this, you can start stacking up things in your favor. For example, you can say, okay, when they're talking with the team, and then you're going to tell it's going to be on Friday. All right, so if I message you on Monday and you don't have anything for me, should I consider it a no? And those kind of small little cues that's going to help you lead the sale, be in the control, and first of all, help your prospect be more sincere and true with themselves. Because the last thing that I want to happen to you is that you speak with someone and they tell you that they're going to get back and then they never get back. And then you hope that they're going to get back. This is the rookie mistake. So you either need to agree with the prospect that either by this date they're going to give you a certain action and review the legal doc or this or that, or just be truthful with yourself. If you can't get the commitment from the customer, there's not big a chance that they're going to be committing to buying from you. And then the other thing, you don't even have to talk it to the prospect. If you have somebody that is not replying to you and you're waiting on them to close the deal, you can say to yourself, all right, if they don't come back to me by Wednesday, I'm closing out this file, I'm putting this on the closed, lost, or unqualified, and that's it, I'm moving on from it. If they ever want to get back, they will get back. Either next steps or no. This is the one single concept that's going to help you get 100% success from any sale. Because from any sale, from any call that you do with the prospect, there should be a next step that moves the deal towards the closing, or it's a no and you don't waste time on it. So it's also a win-win solution. Do it, implement it. Good luck.